Hey everyone, and welcome to Oreo Catapults. I'm going to start by showing you what supplies you need for this. And you will need these larger popsicle sticks. If you have the smaller ones, they can kind of work, but not as great as the big ones. And you want 8 of these. So you want 8 of the large popsicle sticks. They can be colored or wooden, it doesn't matter. And then you want 4 rubber bands, just regular ones. And then if you need any of these supplies, including mini Oreos, you can come by the Palos Heights Public Library and let us know that you want to pick up an Oreo Catapults supplies bag. We do have them available. And then you can follow along to this video. Alright, so you want to start off with 6 of your popsicle sticks, and then you just want to stack them together. Stack them together, and then take 1 rubber band, and you want to start with the rubber band on one end, so you want to loop it around and tie them together. These can be tightly tied together. It's real quick. So on either end, about like half an inch in. And then what you want to do with these is just keep it like that. And you want to take your 2 other popsicle sticks and you're going to place them on each side of your stack. So it kind of is like a V shape. And take another rubber band. This one's going to be a little hard, so you can start off by using your 2 popsicle sticks and tying them at one end. And this one you want to do a little more loose. Keep it a little loose because it will need to open up into a V. So you kind of just have to try it out. So mine goes like that, as you can see. Place it in the middle of your stack. And then the other rubber band, you want to form an X in the middle of your like plus sign. So kind of tying it all together. So I'm going to start on one end, so you can see there, and then twisting it, and then you can double tie it on both sides if your rubber band lets you. If not, it can be a little tricky. All right. Okay, so here you have your catapult, and then you'll place whatever item that you want on there, and then make sure that there's enough room for your finger to push down. So it kind of helps launch your item. All right, so thanks for tuning in, and don't forget that we do have supplies here at the library for you to pick up. So come on by.